Hello guys, hello guys. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Wait a minute, my followers, my users. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. My dear friend, my dear friend. Hello, my dear friends, my dear users, my dear supporters, my dear viewers. I am your host, Eagle Eye, and I am here with a new project to present to you. I will be sharing the details and benefits of the project with you. So stay connected with me. Thank you so much, my dear friends. So my project is RWA, That is the project of the day. So Gate launch poll newly added. Gate launch poll newly added. ALLORWA. Stack BTC GT to earn reward delivered in real time. I am awaiting for this. I will stack my asset in GT token. Okay, my dear friend. So it's launched 23 May 2025, and the time is 3:39 UTC, and the viewer is 21,383. ALLORWA will be launched on Gate Launch Pool Stack BTC GT to earn RWA token rewards every hours, and airdrop details stacking period May 26 to 2025 at 12 June to June 3, 2025 at 12 UTC. So total stacking reward 14 6 times 0 RWA, and you can see that the graphic, and the you can see that stacking pole BTC GT, and stacking rewards 2 5 5 times 0 and 5 times 0 RWA, and price pool per hour 13,13026.33 and 78.125 lot of rewarded has been awaiting for you, my dear friends. So look at that unlocking rule. 100% unlock. Gate launch pool allows user to stack yearly. You can stack your asset before the project officially launch, ensuring you start earning reward immediately once mining begins. Reward distribution. The system the system will distribute the token rewards to user support account every hour based on the proportion of assets stacked by each user. Gate launch poll FAQ. So how to participate? Log into your Gate account and complete identity verification, and go to navigate to launch poll. Hold at least 0.00001 BTC or 0.01 GT token, my dear friends. Click stack exclusive stack limit privilege for VIP user. VIP 5 and above user enjoy exclusive stacking limits. One participating in launch poll with up to 500,000 stacking limit. Oh my god. VIP level VIP 0 to VIP 4. 1000 GT. Oh my god. Thank you so much. I am fine. 92. Thank you so much for joining to my live stream. How are you, my dear respected friend? Thank you so much, 92, for joining to my stream. I am fine with the blessing of Allah Almighty. How about you, 92? So VIP 0 to VIP 4, 1000 GT. and you must have. And BTC pool maximum stacking amount per user is 10 BTC, VIP 5 15 GT, and get plus 15 plus 15 BTC plus 50 plus. So VIP 6 2000 GT plus 100 gate GT pool maximum stacking amount per user about VIP, and 20 BTC 100%. VIP 7 to 2600 GT plus 160 plus percent to 26 BTC plus 160%. Oh my God, VIP 8 30 3400 GT plus 240 plus percent. Oh my God, 34 BTC plus 240 percent plus, and VIP 9 4500 GT plus 35%, 45 BTC plus 35%. Oh my God, and look at that, VIP 10 to VIP 16 gate maximum stacking amount per user 16,000 GT and plus 500%, and 60 BTC plus 500%. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you so much, my dear orphanage, that joining to my live stream project information. ALLO, building the world first exciting exchanging for tokenization, a tokenized stock with 24/7 trading, low fees, and instant settlement to democratize investing built on blockchain technology. Allo has tokenized 2.2 billion RB in RWA, stacked $15 million in BTC, and launched a $100 million lending facility. Website is here. Gate Labs investment disclosure. Gate Labs has invested ALO. So thank you so much, my dear friend. Look at that. I am describing. Look, and now I am going to start to earn now. Thank you so much. So, oh my God, look at that. My topic, RWA launch poll, RWA launch poll. So I am also continue to describe and explaining about that. So thank you so much, everybody. They are joining to my live stream and supported me. Everyone, please, please, everyone, please. If you really want to support me, please share my live stream and like my live stream. Thank you so much. So here is the sample. You can see that. Here is the image. Here is the monogram about RWA upcoming project and start in 1 day and 21 hours has been remaining to start. ALO is building the world first exchange for tokenized stock with 24/7 trading, low fees, and instant settlement to democratize investing built on blockchain technology. ALO has to tokenize $2.2 billion in RWA, stacked $15 million in BTC, and launched $100 million lending facilities. So thank you so much, Shining Moon. Welcome, welcome. Thank you so much, Shining Moon. Welcome for joining to my live stream. It's my pleasure that you are joining to my live stream. Thank you so much, Shining Moon. So look at that. RWA has two pole, a BTC pole, a GT pole. So you can stack your asset in BTC pole and GT pole if you have asset, if you have amount, if you have money, if you have dollar in BTC or in GT. So you can go and stack their asset and get in, my dear followers. Look at that. If you have BTC, you can grab 21.39 estimated approximate reward. You will catch it if you have in BTC. So total stacking reward is 25 and 6 times 0 RWA. The total stacking reward available and price for hourly cap is 130,208.33 RWA. Thank you so much, Shining Moon. Thank you so much, my dear Hussein. Me, wow, my dear My dear son, thank you so much for joining to my live stream. So total stacking BTC individual hourly reward cap 5,208.33 RWA. Mining period is 8 days and estimated approximate 2.1.39, and individual stacking cap is VIP for 10 BTC. Participant only 97. Oh my God, yes I am. I will try my best to stacking my asset in this. Okay. Okay, if you have, my dear friend, if you have BTC, if you have GT pool, if you have GT pool, so look at that. If you have GT token your asset, so you can go and total stacking reward 15 and 6 times 0 RWA price pool hourly cap 78,125 RWA. So stacking, total stacking in GT individually hourly reward cap is 4,685.5 RWA. Mining period 8 days and estimated approximate reward is 31.556. Oh my God, thank you so much Star Queen for joining to my live stream. Thank you so much. Individually stacking cap 1000 GT token for VIP, and participating about GT port is 693. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Star Queen. You must stay at my live stream at the end because that's my project, and you can engage the people's. I am in busy my project, so if we give your costly time, it's very thankful for me, my dear friend. Thank you so much, Star Queen. I am giving a favor from you. So look at that. I am going to check about the official website. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Allo. 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 Thank you. So my dear friend, Allo. Binance Labs MVB8 Accelerator ALLORWA trade stocks on chain start trading. So ATSLA USDT, Apple USDT, Google USDT, BTC USDT, ETH USDT. Here's this chart. You can see that, my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. So here can you see that investor parameters and JC and chain fund and cluster capital and Morning Star and Pogin Tent and Baby Leon and Chainlink XRP USDT. And here is wow, what monogram and images and website they are creating. 24/7 global tokenized stock exchange, low fees, zero gas and low fees on all orders, and 10 multiply up to 10 leverage coming soon. The trade will trade with convection to maximize capital efficiency. 24/7 trading, trade perpetual stocks 24/7, and seamless on one click trading, no wallet approval and interrupt your flow. Community 814,000 plus community, my dear friends. The Allo Army, a global force of over 814 814,615 strong, is on a mesh mission to revolutionize the world of crypto by making real world asset and tradable and accessible to everyone. Together we aim to make Allo the most recognized and widely used cryptocurrency worldwide, known for the epic as social media and takeover and viral Allo memes. We harness the power of the community to drive awareness and adoption. At the heart of Alo is our vibrant community, the true engine behind our growth and success. Together, we are shaping the future of finance on trade at a time. And look at that community, 264,950 followers, and about at X, and about 128785, and about Telegram 250814 followers in Telegram. In my dear friend Instagram, 1483 times 0 followers at Instagram, about RWA. My dear friend, thank you so much. And news is that, my dear friend, Allo.xyz secure as $100M Bitcoin backed created facilities stacked 544 BTC, and crowdfund insider Allo secures $100 million Bitcoin backed created Queen Telegraph BNB chain announced 35 projects for Session 8 of the MVB accelerator by Binance News. So Allo perpetual DEX for tokenized stock. Start trading. You can start trading, my dear friends. Allo, subscribe. So look at that. I am checked here. So may I stack my assets? Are trading my assets. So I am only checked here. Oh my God. Yes. Oh my God. Allo, look at that. Here is the. You can stack in Allo. You can stack your. You can start trading at Allo. Okay. Look at that, my dear friend. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. I am only describing here. The official website about Allo RWA. So now I am check about white paper, Allo RWA white paper. Oh my God, bringing financial asset on chain. Allo, bringing financial asset on chain. Hello everybody, my voice is okay or not okay? So welcome, introduction. Welcome to Allo. Allo is building the world first exchange for tokenized stock with 24/7 trading, low fees, and instant settlement to democratize investing. Built on blockchain technology, Allo has tokenized $2.2 billion in RWAs, stocked $15 million in BTC, and launched a $100 million lending facility. Products. Number one product about Allo is number one Allo chain, number two deep fund, number three tokenized, number four trade, number five lend. Okay. Welcome to the official documentation of Allo, a protocol for real world asset and Bitcoin. At Allo, we are tokenizing RWAS and enabling user to stack, trade, and borrow crypto assets. Join our community. Keep update on the latest Allo news and participate in important discussion about the protocol, stacking opportunities, and more. Twitter website, Discord website, Telegram announcement, and linked website is available, my dear friend. So need help? Yes. Have a question? Please don't hesitate to ask a question on our Discord. Our team is online and ready to help. Okay. And now I am checking about overview at white paper. So overview, introduction. Allo X is a decentralized platform for trading tokenized stock. Each tokenized stack on Allo present one ratio 1 ownership of a real world stack held in a secure custody. For example, number one, a Apple token is equal to one real Apple. Double APL is known as share held in custody. Number two, point number two, 0.5 a TSLA token is equal to 0.5 real Tesla TSLA shares held in custody. Hello, start building our portfolio with just 100 key feeders. 101 assets packing. Every token is fully collateralized by real stock, zero trading fees, no commission spread or hidden charges. And number three, feeder number three is that friction ownership. Buy or sell frictions of expensive stock, for example, Amazon and Google. Transparency. Number four, transparency. All transactions are recorded on chain and previous look at that. The next one is that getting started. Getting started. Sign up, start trading, add funds, and last update 1 month. You can sign up from here and start trading from here, and you can click at the add fund. Yes, you can be checked. Look at that add fund. My dear friends, get started about Allo. To add fund to the Allox, you need to open the platform trade.allo.xyz. After the opening the platform, simply click on the top right deposit button as shown in the image above. You can look at that, my dear friend. Look at that. You can select which coin you want to use the deposit fund on Allo X. Then select the network. So sign up option. Here is the sign up option. Yes, look at that, my dear friend. Sign up via email, sign up via Binance Wallet. To sign up on Allox, click the connect button on top right now. You can choose email or Binance Wallet to enter Allox. Look at that. Sign up via email and add the OTP received on your registered email ID. Your wallet will be connected to the Allox. Sign up via Binance Wallet. For connected with Binance Wallet, you would require to scan the QR with your Binance Wallet app, after which you had eligible for the trading into the Allox. Okay, now I am also describing about sign up, and I am also describing about add fund. Okay, not a problem. You can start trading from here. You can place trade directly by scaling, buy or long or sell or short. After that, click on place order. If the limit is not applied, the order will be automatically bought at the market price. Trading. So perpetual asset trading trading pairs, token profit at and stop loss trader orders, TLR, TPR, SL, order book, order type, entry price, and PNL. Perpetual asset Allox currently support trading 140 plus assets. The assets are added according to community output order book. The order book work is essentially the same way as all centralized exchange, but fully on-chain orders are added where price is an integer multiple of the ticket size and size is an integer multiple of lot of size. The order are matched in price, time, priority. Crypto Eagle, thank you so much. Thank you. And trading pairs, all stocks has 100 plus trading pairs of tokenized stock which can be directly traded via the platform. Tokenized stocks at Allo are mentioned with a prefix like Tesla shares, which as NASDAQ. Tesla will be traded as the TSLA on Allo stock. Similarly, as below, the list of trading pairs is as follow: Tesla, TSL, and Master MSTR. Order type. Here is the different type of order: limit, market, stop, limit, and stop market. Take profit and stop loss. Says order TLRSL, TPRSL, TPRSL order close over your position when sure profit receipt dot loss has been realized on your position. Limit versus market TP/SL order. User can choose between the TL/SL market and limit order. User can control the slab tolerance of triggered order by setting the limit price on a TL/PSL order. The more aggressive the limit price, the more likely the TPRSL order will be filled upon triggering, but the higher the potential slabbing upon filling. TPRSL associated with position, entry price, and PNL. On the Olox, entry price, unrealized PNL, and closed PNL are purely front-end components provided for user convention. The fundamental accounting is based on margin balance for support a trade and support P. Fee structure at allows as is as follow as compared to the other competitor. Commission fees Ondo 0.15%, year management 0.15%, fund expansion fee time to onboard 10 minutes in Ondo and security rise 20 minutes. Click to invest 15 to 20 and 15 to 20. Global access and reward interactive and minimum investment and net worth requirement. Here is a lot of thing, my dear friend. Thank you so much, everybody. Please share my live stream and like my live stream, my dear friend. If you really want to support me, please share my live stream and like my live stream. Thank you so much, my dear all friend. Thank you so much. Now, what is FAQ? FAQ, my dear friends. What are trading hours? Tokenized stocks on OLX can only be traded during official U.S. stock market hours. Open 9:03 a.m. Eastern Time ET, close 4 p.m. ET, and days Monday to Friday, excluding U.S. stock market holiday. Number 2, are my stocks, are my tokens really backed 1 by rally stock? Yes, you can look further information from our treasury, which issue 101 ratio token from stocks. What is the settlement time? T plus 2 settlement trades settle in 2 business days following U.S. US stock market standards. For example, a trade placed Monday settled by Wednesday, and number 2, blockchain update ownership is recorded instantly on chain, but fund or token are fully confirmed after settlement. Number 4, what are the fees charged by Alox? Alox charge zero fees to core trading activities. Trading number, no commissions, spreads or hidden charges. Number, other fees, deposit or withdraw, no charges. It's completely built on blockchain. Account maintenance, no monthly or annually fees. Points. All points is an incentivization campaign. User can earn points by having simple interaction with the Allo ecosystem. Session 1 consists of off-chain or social media tasks where user collected points via various campaign as follow: community giveaway on Twitter, Discord, etc., and Galaxy Quest exclusive giveaway. Session number 2 consists of on-chain based tasks started on May 2025, where users collected points by performing interaction on Allo ecosystem as follow: trade on Olox, open position on Olox, join weekly PNL and contest and more. Overview about my topic overview. Allo introduction, its own solution for Bitcoin holders through the creation of a liquid staking token LST known as Allo BTC. When user deposit BTC into the Allo platform, they receive Allo BTC, which represent their stacked Bitcoin. This token allow Bitcoin holders to earn yield while retaining liquidity, providing several advantages over traditional stacking method. Key feature of Allo BTC liquidity stacking: earn yield and maintain liquidity. User retain fully liquidity over their stacked BTC through Allo BTC while earning stacking reward. Number 2, DeFi composability. Allow BT can be integrated into a wider range of DeFi application, enabling holder to use their stacked Bitcoin for lending, borrowing, or trading while still accruing a reward and hence yield via Babylon. By integrating Allo BTC with Babylon stacking system, user can boost their earning with Babylon stacking reward, reduce risk of asset lockup. Allo BTC token remove the risk of long-term assets lockup, often associated with traditional stacking models, offering flexibility to users who wish to manage their liquidity. Architecture. A user connected to wallet BTC and EVM wallet deposit native to BTC value and Kobo API Babylon stacking. And here is the Mainnet Allo BTC EVM smart contract Allo stacking. Oh my god, user, oh my god, look at that, my dear friends. Stacking phase 1. Stacking phase 1 on the Allo platform. Allo user to seamlessly stacking their Bitcoin BTC and receive Allo BTC token in return. Number 2, Mainnet Allo BTC for BTC. Stacking phase 1, allow BTC connected EVM wallet. Number 2, deposit BTC. Number 3, wait for block confirmation. Number 4, deposit confirmation via Kobo wallet API. Number 4. Number 5, stacking BTC dashboard. Number 6, monitoring of allow BTC once the deposit is confirmed. Allow limits allow BTC token, which represent the stack between these tokens, are sent directly to users connected EVM wallet. Through these steps, user can stack their bitcoins while retaining liquidity via allow BTC tokens. Enhance their participation in the decentralized finance DeFi ecosystem. So redeem BTC from allow BTC. Here is the functions. Stacking phase 2, landing overview. I am also describing. Architect, I am also describing. Network information, BNB Mainnet, allow BTC assets. The native token of allow are allow BTC, and allow it is also available on BNB chain. Stack BTC coming soon. Mainnet allow BTC coming soon. Okay, I am explaining lot of features about RWA sessions. I am describing about RWA. What is FAQ? Let me check. Get launched. So about notice, Gate Lab investment disclosure notice. Gate Launch Pool is an innovation stacking and airdrop platform where user can stack GT, BTC, ETH, USDT or other tokens to earn hour airdrop of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high approximate. It is the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. Number 2, please complete identity verification before participating in Launchpool to enhance the security of our account and asset. Number 3, please adhere to the relevant rules of the event when participating. Any cheating behavior is prohibited, and occurrence of any dishonesty will result in the qualification of the reward. Number 4, where any discrepancy areas arise between the translated versions and original English version, and the English version shall prevail. Number 5, Gate reserve all right to the final explanation. This event is not affiliated with Apple LLC. Number 7, user in United Kingdom and other restricted launch location cannot access these services, including The participation in this event, game or competition. See the user agreement for further detail or restricted location. Risk warning. The project team does not guarantee that token price will not be lower than its initial sale price. Please invest with caution and don't invest beyond your financial capacity. Number two, the crypto project is still in its initial stages, factor including the operations and underlying technology of the project and the other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risk. Advanced technology, technical and financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate the inherent risk of crypto asset investment. Number four, the market volatility is high and the price of the token might fluctuate drastically due to technical, regulatory, and marketing factors. User may not be able to withdraw all the purchase token due to technical issues of the project or gate. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Here the Gate Crypto, my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining to my live stream. Thank you, everybody. Please share my live stream, like my live stream. If you really want to support me, my dear all friend, please follow me and share my live stream. If you really want to support me, be love, my dear friend. Thank you. So, my dear friends, look at that now. Gate launch poll FAQ. What is Gate launch poll? What is Gate launch poll, my dear friends? What is Gate launch poll? Gate Launch Pool is an innovation stacking and airdrop platform where user can stack GT, BTC, ETH, USDT, or other tokens to earn hourly airdrop of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high approximate. It's the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing and market opportunities. For that, join okay. How can I participate in Gate Launch Poll? How can I participate in Gate Launch Poll? Sorry for that. ठीक है मैं कर दूँ how to participate? How can I participate in Gate Launch Poll? First, log in to your Gate account and navigate to the Gate Launch Poll page. Then choose the project you want to participate in and stock your assets. How to participate in Gate Launch Poll? Look at that. Gate Launch Poll is an innovation stacking area platform where user can stack EGT, BTC, ETH, USDT, and other tokens to earn hourly airdrop of hot new coins with low entry barriers and high approximates. its ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing. Simple as that, my dear friend. How to join Gate Launch Pool and stack to in. Number one, log into your Gate account and navigate to Launch Pool. If you have app, click at the button of home and next you click the button of Launch Pool. If you have website, click the button of in and then you click the button of Launch Pool. Number two, choose the stacking pool you want to join, click stack. Number three, enter the stacking amount, click confirm and complete stacking. Number four, view rewards in reward history after successfully stacking. Here is the images, my dear friend. You can see that how to stack to in. Here can you see that, my dear friends. Notice, please complete identity verification before the participating in launch pool to enhance the security of your account and asset. The stacked asset will be transferred to simple in by default. If this option is unlocked, the stacked asset will be redeemed to support asset. They will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amount each hour and you can increase your stacking asset at any time. Please maintain stable stacking amount and ensure mining rewards. How to participate? The question is that. The question was that. That is why I am. So which queens can I stack and get launch pool? The token eligible for participation will be announced on the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of Get Launch Pool to view more detail. Number four, how many tokens will be rewarded? Hourly stacking reward is equal to individual latest 1 hour's while stacking amount divided by total pool stacking amount multiplied by hourly reward pool. The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amount each hours and take the average stacking amount as the wallet stacking amount. Number five, however, reward distributed, the platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amount hourly and token reward are distributed to eligible user. Hourly earning will be distributed into user support account. Number six, when will the stacked asset be redeemed? After the user redeemed in advance hour or the stacking is completed, the stacked asset will be transferred to simple and by default. If the option unchecked, the stacking asset will be redeemed into support asset. If the amount of redeemed asset is too small and does not meet the minimum claim amount of the simple in, the asset will be automatically transferred to support asset. If simple in does not support to claim the redeemed token, the asset will also be automatically transferred to support asset. I redeem my stacked asset at any time? The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stacking amount each hour and calculate the value stacking amount. However, early redemption may result in the loss of a pure reward. Please maintain stable stacking amount to earn mining reward. In addition, each stacking pool impose a daily redemption limit. Individual user can only withdraw to 3 times a day per pool. Please plan your redemption carefully to maximize our reward and avoid and potential impact on your earning. Number 8, can I added additional stacked asset? You can increase your stacked asset at any time. The more tokens you stack, the greater your potential mining reward. However, once the reward cap is reached, you will no longer receive stack reward. Number 9, can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? When there are multiple launch projects going on at the same time, you can stack the different pools to receive new tokens mining reward or multiple projects. Each stacking pool need to be stacked separately. If you only stack asset in pool A, you will not be able to obtain reward from pool B. You can stack pool A and B separately to obtain the corresponding mining reward for new tokens. Number 10, what are the maximum mining reward I can receive? The hourly reward hard cap per user for each project is different. Once the cap reach, no further stacking reward will be granted. Please refer to the relevant announcement or the mining page for the reward and cap limit for each project. Number 11, will stacking asset in the gate launch pool impact my VIP level? No asset stacked in the gate launch pool will be included in the asset holding calculation for holder airdrop, launch pool, and VIP privilege. Number 12, what will happen to my fund if the project is ended early? In case of early ended, your stacked principal will be automatically redeemed as soon as the project is ended, and your last interest will be distributed on the hour after the end time. The interest distribution before the ending will not be affected. About annual percentage rate approximate. Number 1, when the reward queen is the stacked queen, approximate is equal to total reward released in the last hour divided by last hour total stacked multiplied by 365 multiplied by 12 24 multiplied by 100%. When the reward queen is not the stacked queen, approximate is equal to total reward released in the last hour multiplied by closing price of the reward queen of the last hour divided by last hour. Total stacking multiplied by closing price of the stacked queen of the last hour multiplied by 365 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 100%. The approximate is an estimated and reference only. The actual analyzed return you finally receive shall prevail. Approximate data is unupdated hourly. Launch poll, quick stacking in potential new token. $600.4 million stacked, 28.59 billion funds raised, 5.2 million plus participation, and 2.19 million estimated total rewards. And you can subscribe at this button. Look at that. All polls. 253 projects has been launched in launch poll. In progress 7, upcoming 2, and ended 244. Now I am checking in progress events. Soon is in progress. Soon project is in progress. TGT is in progress. Giza is in progress. Prompt is in progress. NXP is in progress. Obol is in progress. Okay, and upcoming 2 project is upcoming. Soon poll is upcoming. Soon poll is upcoming, and TGT is upcoming reward, my dear friends. So you can go and stack your ASIN and grab a lot of rewarded from these launch poll. So my dear friends, what is Hodler airdrop? What is Hodler airdrop? So what is Hodler airdrops? What is Hodler airdrops? What is Hodler airdrop? Hodler airdrop is an exclusive free airdrop event for GT Gate token Hodler. User only need to hold a certain amount of GT to share airdrops token based on their holding proportions. What are the requirements to participation? The Hodler airdrop. Participation must complete identity verification and hold at least 1 GT in their assets. Number 3, what is the GT holding participation limit? The GT holding participation limit may vary for each project The specific limit will be clearly stated in each project airdrop announcement. Number 4, how are airdrop tokens distributed? We will take a snapshot of your GT holding at the time of participation, and at the end of the airdrop token will be distributed based on your GT holding proportion of the total snapshot amount. The larger the holding, the more airdrop token you receive. Token received is equal to minimum GT asset at airdrop participation, or GT asset at airdrop ended, divided by total GT asset of all project participation multiplied by total airdrop amount, rounded to the nearest whole number. Can I participate in multiple hodler airdrop? Yes, as long as you hold enough GT at each project snapshot time and meet the participation requirement, you can participate in multiple hodler airdrop. Number 6, will I definitely receive token if participate? Okay, yes, user holding at least 1 GT can 100% receive the airdrops, provided they maintain at least 1 GT at the snap time. Number 7, how can I check my airdrop token? Rewarded will be calculated and distributed within T+1 days after the project ends. You can check your participation history in Launchpool hodler airdrop. Number 8, what should I do if I have not received my airdrop token? Oh my god, if you don't receive airdrop token, please first check if you meet the participation criteria and confirm your GT holding at snapshot time. If the issues persist, please contact customer supporter. Oh my god, my dear friend Shani Trader, follow me. Thank you and welcome. Welcome, Shani Trader. Your problem are resolved or not? Shani, how about your problem? So how to participate in hodler airdrop? Why are you laughing? It's solved. Okay. Oh wow, that's great. Nice to see you at my chat box. Good morning, Sniper BM. Thank you. Good morning, dear Sniper BM, and thank you, Shane, for joining to my live stream. Yes, yes, I am properly follow to you. I am properly follow to you properly. Oh my God. Oh my God. Channel, I try to properly follow you. Robbie, good morning. Good morning, Robbie 12. Good morning. Good morning, Robbie. Get user, thank you. Get user, thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. And thanks a lot. Thanks so much, everybody. Thank you so much. Get user Ilal Kamar. Ilal Kamar, thank you. Robbie, hello, Robbie. How are you? Hello, Robbie. How are you? Lepau. Lepau, you are joining my stream after a long time. Lepau, how are you, Lepau? Get user market outlook is very great. How are you, Lapao? Thank you. I am going to describe the launch poll hodler how to participate in hodler airdrop. Yes, oh, you can need $1. No, not a problem, Lapao. Not a problem. I will send you. Yes, I will send you. Don't you go and drop drop comment at my post. At my post, I will send you. I will send you. Don't worry, Lepao. Don't worry. I will send you. Not a problem. Not a problem, my dear. You drop one comment at my post. I will send you USDT. Not a problem, Lepao. Karshan one. Karshan, hello, my dear. How are you? Thank you, Lepao. Hello. Project dia nama project ya personilidad ha 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 una thank you so much my dear Lapau. Yes, you drop your SMS. I am currently completing my UID. I need to overexpand if you able to support. My name is RF. My dear friend, I have not $687. If I got it, I will send you must Lapau. MI007. Sorry, my dear friend. Sorry for that. I am not be able. But Lapau, yes, Lapau. No need your UID, Lapau. No need your UID. Only drop one SMS at my post. Only drop one SMS. No need UID. Drop only one comment at my post. I will send you. I will send you via post, via comment. Don't worry. Lapao, don't worry. Lapao. Robe, hello Shani. Shani, where are you? I am watching you, Shani. Shani. Okay, how to participate in Gate Hodler airdrop. My dear friend, Hodler airdrop is an exclusive free event for user holding GT Gate token. User only needed to hold less than 1 GT to claim free airdrop. The more GT holding, the more airdrop rewards. How to join Gate Hodler airdrop, claim free airdrop. My dear friend, log into your Gate account and navigate to Hodler airdrop. Thank you so much. High ambition. I will talk to you after my project. Thank you for joining my stream. Welcome a lot. Welcome. So log in to your Gate account and navigate to Hodler airdrop. App, click. If you have app, click in and then click Hodler airdrop. If you have website, you can go and click launch and then click launch pool and then click Hodler airdrop. Number 2, select in progress project and click participation now to participate. Number 3, participation result can be viewed in the airdrop record or the project claim page. Look at that. Hodler, how to claim. Look at that, my dear friend. The screen is in front of you. You can see that. You can see that image, my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining to my live stream. Please share my live stream and follow me. So how to claim? Thank you, high ambition. Thank you so much. Who is making who? Oh my God. Oh my God. Get user, you are making 30-minute red packet. Oh my God. I am going to close my, oh my God, project. Oh my God, now. Oh my God. Get officials making red packet for me so I can stay here more 30 minutes. Oh my God. I am completing 1 hour and 5 minutes and get official make a red packet about 30 minutes. Oh my God. Okay, I will I will explain. Okay, my different hodler airdrops. What is hodler airdrop and how to claim hodler, hold GT and get massive airdrop for free. 33.22 million cumulative airdrops, my dear friends, and 40,000 total airdrop, 376.30,000. So participation strength is that 376.30. So look at that, my dear friend. All project about hodlers 238 project has been launched at hodler airdrops. Look at that. So FSH, W and Boxcat and Soon and STB and TGT and White Doggy Mine, Dolity and Surya Weapons and NXP. Lot of project. You can see that, my dear friend. Look at that, and one is in progress about hodler airdrop FISH. So I am also claimed my airdrop from FISH. So I have. Okay, one is in progress, and oh my God, 237 project has been ended. Oh, thank you so much, my dear friends. Here is the how to participate in hodler airdrop, which count GT holding will be. Okay, now I am again going to describe. So stay here, high ambition. Thank you so much, high ambition. Stay here and join to my live stream. Thank you, Ghalibin. You can stay at my chat box and you can catch this red packet is from Gate Officials. Yes, you can catch it easily. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. So my project, I am going to describe RWA launch poll. How are you, Ghalibin? How are you? Thank you for joining to my live stream. Alo is building the world first exchange for tokenized stock with 24 by 7 trading, low fees, and instant settlement to democratize investing. Bolton blockchain technology. Alo has tokenized 2.2 billion in RWAS, stacked 15 million in BTC, and launched a $100 million lending facility. So here can you see that RWA has BTC launch pool and GT launch pool. So look at that. About if I am going to talk about BTC pool, about RWA Alo project, total stacking reward 256 times 0 RWA total stacking reward, and price pool hourly is that 130,208.33 RWA. So token stack BTC individually hourly reward cap 5 5208.33 RWA. Welcome to my stream Discovery. Welcome. Thank you so much, Discovery. I am explaining explained about the topic RWA launch poll. So look at that stacked token stacked in BTC is 5,208.33 RWA. Mining period 8 days, estimated 2.1 to 1.39. So individually stacking cap VIP 10 BTC, my dear friend, and 99 participant in about BTC poll. If I am talking about GT, look at that total stacking reward 1 5 and 6 times 0 RWA. Price poll hourly cap 78,125 RWA. If I am talking about total stacked GT individually hourly reward 4,687 point RWA. Mining period 8 days and 31.56 estimated approximate. Individually stacking cap 1000 VIP GT and 707 participant is available, my dear friends. Look at that. This event will be ended near about 1 day and 20 hours has been remaining. So I am going to check about official website. Look at that, my dear friend. Trade stack on chain. Start trading. Investor participant. This is the official website about Alo RWA. Start trading, investment and partners, Gate.io, NGC, Change Fund, Cluster Capital. Thank you. 24/7. Oh, wow, my darling Ilyana, my darling. Thank you. Thank you so much. 24/7 global tokenized stock exchange and low fees and up to 10% leverage and 24/7 trading seamless. Community 8,000, 814,000 plus community. And in you can see that X and Telegram and Instagram to allow army a global force of over 814,650 strong is on a mission to revolutionize the world of crypto by making real world easy, tradable, and accessible to everyone. Together, we aim to make Allo the most recognized and widely used cryptocurrency worldwide. Now, for our epic social media takeover and viral Allo memes, we harness the So, my dear friends, all of memes, we harness the power of the community to drive awareness and adoption. At the heart of Alo is our vibrant community to true engine behind our growth and success. Together, we are shaping the future. Our finance on trade at our time. Thank you so much. Oh my crypto self. Oh my God. Oh my God. My dear old friend. My dear Turkish friend. Oh my God. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, my dear Turkish friend. Welcome. Nice to see you at my chat box. Nice to see you at my chat box, crypto self. Nice to see you. Nice to see you, crypto self. Oh, crypto self, your girl is here. Your girl is here. Your girl. What's man? Yes, I am man. Thank you so much, crypto self. You are my first Turkish friend at Gate.io, Gate.com. Thank you so much. Discovery is my lovely and respected friend. And Ilyana, my darling, thank you so much. Bala Jalwari, thank you. Thank you, Shanna. Thank you so much. Look at that perpetual DEX for tokenized stock here. Look at, you can see that, my dear friends. Oh wow, trading. You can start trading at this website. Okay. High ambition, welcome. High ambition, welcome. Welcome. High ambition, welcome, dear. Welcome, dear. High ambition. So trade stock on chain. Look at that, my dear friend. Now I am going to check about the white paper about the RWA launch poll. Oh my God! Welcome to Alo. Alo is building the world first exchange for tokenized stock with 24/7 trading low fees and instant settlement to document democratize investing. Bolt-on blockchain technology. Also, Alo has tokenized 2.2 billion RWA, stacked 50 million in BTC, and launched a 100 million lending facility and product. Alo chain number 2, deep fund number 3, tokenized number 4, trade number 5, lend. Welcome to the official documentation of Alo, a protocol of real world asset and Bitcoin. At Alo we are tokenized RWA and enabling user to stack to trade and borrow crypto asset. Join your community, keep update on the latest Alo news and participate in important discussion about the protocol, stacking opportunities, and more. Twitter, Discord, Telegram, announcement, and letter and linked, my dear friend. Need help, have a session, have a question, please don't hesitate to ask us a question on our Discord. Our team is on chain. Oh my God. Thank you so much for giving a chance to question for you. So introducing Olox. Olox is a decentralized platform for trading tokenized stock. Each tokenized stock on Alo represent 101 ownership of real world stock held in secure custody. For example, Apple token is equal to real Apple. APL share held is custody. 0.5 Tesla token is equal to 0.5 real Tesla shares held in custody. So Alo, start building on your portfolio with just 100. Key feeder is here, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining to my live stream and share my live stream, please. 101 key feeder is that 101 asset blockchain. Every token is fully collateralized by real stock, zero trading fees, no commission. Separates are hidden charges, fractional ownership by a self-fraction of expensive stock, for example, Amazon and Google. Transparency, all transactions are recorded on chain, my dear friends. What is the points? What's the point? All point is an incentivization campaign. User can earn point by having sample interaction with Alo ecosystem. Session number 1 consists of on-chain or social media task where user calculated point via videos campaign as follow: community giveaways, a tutor, Discord, etc, galaxy quotas, and exclusive giveaway. Session number 2, thank you so much, Discovery, my dear friend. Session number 2 consists of on-chain based on stack started on May 20, 2025, where user collected point by performing interaction on Alo ecosystem as follow: trade on Alox, open position on Alox, join weekly PNL contest, and many more and many more and many more. So overview, the real world asset RWA marketplace is an groundbreaking platform that leverage blockchain technology to make investing in tangible assets simpler, faster, and more accessible by enabling users to buy and sell tokenized real world assets with just one click. And marketplace democratize access to previously exclusive markets and opens up global opportunities. The guide outline the key features and benefits of the RWA marketplace, explaining how to enhance accessibility, efficiency, and cost efficiency, effectiveness for all participants. Key feeder, look at that, my dear friends. Here is the key feeder, my dear friends. Stay here. Thank you so much. Key features of RWA Marketplace on one click. Transaction enable user to buy or set tokenized real world agent. Wow! With a single click, simplify the investment process. Accessibility allow a broader range invest, participate through function ownership, limiting barriers to entry. Oh my God, global reach, operation without geographics and restriction. Oh my God, and accessibility 224 by 7, enabling to global participation, efficiency, utilize smart contract at automated transaction and reduced settlement time, minutes or hours. Cost reduction eliminates intermediaries and minimize transaction fees through blockchain based on automatic. Oh wow, thank you, Discovery, my dear friend, High Ambition, my dear friend, Shiny Trader. Thank you, everyone. Please share my live stream and like my live stream, everybody. Yes, I am young and energetic. That is why I am young and energetic. I have a lot of energy. Shiny Trader, thank you so much, my God. Okay, now I am going to describe what is Gate Launch Pool. What is Gate Launch Pool? Gate Launch Pool is an innovative stacking and airdrop platform where user can stack GT, BTC, ETH, USDT or other tokens to earn hourly airdrop of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high approximate. It's ultimate platform for the effortlessly capturing market opportunities. And here can I join. I am going to join launch pool. Look at that. Oh my God, quick stacking in potential new tokens. My God, $600.9 million is in stacking at launch pool, my dear friends, and 28.59 billion funds raised in launch pool, and 5.2 million plus participation in launch pool, and 2.11 million estimated reward has been distributed in launch pool their user. Oh my God, here can you see that, my dear friends, all polls 253 events has been launched at launch poll through gate.com or gate.io, and in progress, and 7 is in progress, and 2 is and 2 events are project is upcoming, my dear friends. Yes. I am for you, my dear friend. Yeah, once time you call me, and 100 times I am present for you. Discovery. Once time you call me and I am present 100 times for you. Thank you so much. Discovery, my dear respected friend. So, and 244 project has been ended at launch poll. So, which is in progress 7. Look at that. Soon project is in progress. You can stack your asset in progress in soon. You can stack your asset in TGT. You can stack your asset in Giza. You can stack your asset in Prompt. You can stack your asset in NXP. You can stack your asset in Obol. You can stack your asset in seventh progress and continuous projects and get lot of rewarded if you stack your asset. Upcoming RWA is upcoming and Marai is upcoming. Look at that. Upcoming 2 project is upcoming, RWA and Marai. So my today's topic of launch poll about RWA launch poll. Look at that. My topic, RWA. So my dear friend, if you have BTC, if you have GT, go and participate yourself. Go and stack your asset and get a lot of rewarded from the launch poll, my dear friends. So I am talking about the launch poll session. Ilyana, my darling, thank you so much, Ilyana. So how to participate? Look at that, my dear friend, how to participate in Gate Launch Poll. Simple as that. log into your Gate Launch Gate account and navigate Launch Pool. If you have mobile phone, simple as that, you can go and click at Home and then you click at Launch Pool. If you have PC or a laptop, you can click at the button of In, then you click at the button of Launch Pool. Number 2, choose the stacking pool you want to join. To click stack. Number 3, enter the stacking amount, click confirm and complete stacking. Number 4, we are reward in reward history after successfully stacking. Oh my god, look at that, my dear friend. If you wanted to do that, my dear friend. So now I am describing hodler airdrops, my dear friends. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much for joining to my live stream. Hello, how are you? Hey. So hodler airdrop is an exclusive free airdrop event for GT. A hodler user only need to hold a certain amount of GT to share airdrop token based on holding proportion. Number 2, what are the requirements to participate in the hodler airdrop? Participant must complete identity verification and hold at least 1 GT. What is the GT holding participation limit? GT holding participation limit may vary for each project. The specification limit will be clearly stated each project. Airdrop announcement. Number 4, how airdrop token distributed. We will take a snapshot of your GT holding at the time of participation at the and at the end of the airdrop token will be distributed based on your GT holding proportion of the total snapshot amount. The larger the holding, the more airdrop token you receive. Token received is equal to minimum GT asset at the airdrop participation GT asset at the airdrop ended divided by total GT asset of all project participation multiplied by total airdrop amount round to the nearest whole number. Can I participate in multiple airdrop? Yes, as long as you hold enough GT at each project snapshot time and meet participation requirement, you can participate in multiple hodler airdrop. Will definitely receive token of if I participate, user holding at least 1 GT and 100% receive the airdrop provided you maintain at least 1 GT the snapshot time. How can I check my airdrop? Reward will be calculated and distributed with 1 days after the project days. Where is? You can check your participation history in launch pool hold airdrop. What should I do if I have not received my airdrop token? If you don't receive airdrop token, please first check if you meet the participation criteria and confirm your GT holding at the snapshot time. If you issue processed, please contact customer support. Thank you so much. I am fine. Crypto 9x. Thank you for second time. It's your second time for joining to my live stream. Crypto 9x. Thank you and welcome. Welcome, dear brother. I am too busy. That's why because of my project. I am too busy. That's the reason is that I am busy in my project. How to join Gate hodler airdrop and claim free airdrop? My different log into your Gate account and navigate hodler airdrop app, click in and then hodler airdrop website, launch, click launch, then launch pool and then hodler airdrop. My different simple is that. So that's so when I am live and other stream, then I will gossips to a lot. Thanks, brother. Thanks, brother. Thanks for understanding me. Corruptor 9x, thanks for understanding me. Lapao. Yes, Lapao. I am now online, then that's why. So, hodler airdrop, my dear friend, hold GT and get massive airdrop for free. So, 33.22 million cumulative airdrop has been distributed for 14,000 total airdrops and 376.30,000 participation. So look at that, 238 projects has been launched at this hodler airdrop and one is in progress and 237 project has been ended. So my dear friend, fish is in progress. My dear friend, you can go and claim from free airdrops. Thank you so much, my dear all friend, for joining to my live stream. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining to my live stream.